Hello, pardon my hair. So as you can see, tonight I am packing up because we are heading to South Carolina tomorrow for my kids' spring break. And here are the things that I need to pack. There's a lot more. Good morning, today is April 18th and we are on our way to South Carolina. Hi, asawa ko! Andre is here. They're still sleeping at the back. We're still in North Carolina and kids are busy with their tablets. And here goes my Habibi! Habibi!
Tingnan mo. Nakita mo? Sila papunta ron. Tayo nasa left side.
Interesting. Hi! We stopped in the gasoline station to get some gas. So we're still in North Carolina. What's our music?
Did you know many animals are the same color as rock?
We are in South Carolina. There we go. We are here. Wow, we are here. Sana eh. So we are in KOA Resort. That's the pool.
Hindi ganyan nakasakay. Isag. Ano ba naman ito?
Good afternoon. We are finally in Myrtle Beach, KOA. Yay! So these are my kids, and this is the map that they're trying to look at. And this is the place that we're gonna put our things. And in a few minutes, we're going to set up. See you later. We are finally set up.
Finally, a floor.
See you later. Wow. She gave me this. Okay, let's go. Smells good.
Mom, can you open the gate?
See you later. They call this Wither's Swash, according to my eldest son. So we're heading to the Moonbounce, which is just right there. And this is the kids' pool. It's nice. So the kids are having fun. Night at the beach.
Alright, so day one of Myrtle Beach camping is over. Tomorrow will be day 2 of Myrtle Beach camping.
Till next time. See you again.
Hey.